Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Toyota Prius Prime. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This forward-thinking Prius Prime combines artful styling, a plug-in hybrid dual-motor drive system, hatchback versatility, a convenient and comfortable interior, and a host of safety and connectivity features. It's the mid-sized car that will make your future bright. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control. Don't settle. Get the sporty midsize you want and the future-ready fuel efficiency that makes sense for your wallet as well as the planet. Get into this smart and savvy Prius Prime. Our team is here to provide you with an outstanding test